Dear students, this short video is about downloading financial statements data from the SEC website. In the other video, you will see that there used to be a direct option to download the financial statement data into an Excel spreadsheet. But SEC removed that direct option, so we have to do a little bit of manual work to download the financial statement data. And I'm going to show you how to do it in this video. So we are going to use the same link. And then we are going to type our company name, or if we know the ticker, we can type the ticker directly. So Coca-Cola is KO. So this is the one. And then view filings. I need 10K, so I'll type 10K. We are going to still press on filing, interactive data. So I followed the same steps so far, but now in the past, there used to be an option called view Excel document, something like that, but that is absent now, that is missing now. So what we have to do, we have to click on financial statements. And then we need income statement. So the first one is the income statement for Coca-Cola, consolidated statements of income. I'm going to click on it. And then I'm going to highlight the entire thing. And then we can right click, copy. And then I am going to create a folder. Let's see, in my desktop. Project. And then I'm going to create an Excel file. Project. And then I'm going to right click on here. And you'll see paste spatial, choose this option. So I want to get rid of the links and other formatting so that my data look much cleaner, simpler. And then I want to resize according to the data. So I'm going to click on this corner and double click on any of these borders. Okay, so I have a statement of income statement for these 3 years. I'm going to bold this. And then here, I'll double click to rename the tab as income statement. So I'm going back to our SEC website. Now the next statement I need is the statement of balance sheet. So this is our balance sheet. I will highlight, right click, copy, go back to the Excel file. Another tab, right click, paste a spatial, this option. And this will be my balance sheet for 2 years data. So we need to conduct analysis for at least 3 years. So we need data for at least 4 years. So we have already 3 years of income statement. So we need at least 1 year of data for income statement. So I'm going back to the SEC website, but now I need another year's data. I'll close it. This is our next. Click on here, interactive data. financial statements, statements of income, as before, copy. And then, as before, right click and spatial. Highlight all this column from here so that the entire column is selected, and double click on any of the borders. Now, I need only 2021. I already have 2023 and 2022. So before I can just delete everything, I want to make sure these data line up correctly in the previous year data. So I want to match this heading with this heading and so on. So yeah, that matches. What I'm going to do now, select this column by clicking on E, and then you can press Shift on your keyboard and then click on H. Right click, delete. So I have now 4 years of data. So you have to do, you have to follow the same steps for balance sheet, and rest of the instructions in the video remain the same. You just have to manually copy and paste the data. So watch the other video that will help you to complete the project. Thank you very much.